What's good, everyone? This is Chris Haith with Big Block Realty North, and I'm going to show you what it's like to live in Roseville. Now, we're going to start off here at this home right here in Sierra Gardens neighborhood, which is one of the best neighborhoods in Roseville. So let's go ahead and check this out. After this, we're going to take a look at some of the nearby restaurants, cafes, things that are fun to do around here. Let's get started. Open floor plan in here. It is 1,225 square feet, 3 bedrooms and 2 baths. What I like what they did with this, they completely remodeled the home, as you can see it here, with the new floors, the new baseboards, new interior painting, plantation shutters, and it's looking really, really nice right now. Now, you've also got the dining area part of it, which is open to the kitchen as well, so a open kitchen floor plan. And you can see right there from the island right there, and the cabinets. Newer countertops, repainted cabinets, new amazing stove, and new dishwasher too. So we can head out to the backyard too. So you got a nice patio here for some shading, especially during these hot summers in Sacramento. Plus you had an open canvas for your backyard, so you can do whatever you like. And now let's check out some of the bedrooms. First bathroom right here, full bath, updated as well. Newer flooring, baseboards, subway tile, and the bath and shower. New closet doors. And then you've got your first bedroom, good size too, with the full size bed, plantation shutters, good size closet too. I like that, it's really nice. Second bedroom. This one's just a tad bit smaller, and so that's why you see some of the staging here is set up like this. Closet right there. Now we got our primary bedroom. You come in here, nice and cool. I love the decoration right there. Plantation shutter again. Closet as well with the mirror. And then you've got your primary bathroom right in here as well with the shower. That's about it for this home in Sierra Gardens. Now we're going to take a look at a couple other places, and we will see you in just a second. Okay, so we are going to check out Shady Coffee and Tea by Historic District of Roseville off of Douglas Street and Oak Street. So let's do it. We are at Shady Coffee and Tea in Roseville by downtown Roseville Historic District. Let me get some coffee. Nice. Oh, this is real nice. The lights and everything. This nice patio, it's really cool. We can step up here too. That's like that. I definitely like the real chill vibes. And then also like that, even when it's hot, you do have some shaded patio. Shady Coffee and Tea right off of Douglas and Oak Street. Real cool vibes around here. Definitely in the original Roseville neighborhood. Also right close to the historic district of Roseville and close to their downtown as well.
So I'm Austin. I've worked here for almost 4 years now. I am the manager here. So Shady has been around for 11 years. It's kept me here so long. And what I like about what we do here, this is one of the few places I've ever worked where it's been like, genuinely be yourself. This is the first place I've been where they're not just like, please sell this to the customer because we need to make money. They're just like, be nice to the customers, make them want to come back, make them enjoy the experience here, and also enjoy working with yourself. And I think that's kind of my favorite part about being here.
That was a good coffee break, and the manager was really cool too. So now we are going to the next neighborhood in Highland Reserve. Let's do it. Thanks for sticking with us. We're here at this other house at 224 Warm Springs Drive. This listing was provided by Stephanie Varden with Guide Real Estate. It is located in the Highland Reserve neighborhood, which is rated top 3 neighborhoods in Roseville by Niche.com. So let's take a look. All right, so as you walk in, you're gonna see an open floor plan, starting with the living room, dining room combination. You've got it beautifully staged here, as you can see right there. And you've got your fireplace, gas fireplace, and a nice entertainment system for your TV. Now this home was built in 2003, so this is pretty common because back then they had the plasma TVs. Now we are here at the dining area, part of the living room, dining room combination. You can definitely get a nice table sitting right here, and it leads into your kitchen. So kitchen, you have one island, and you also have your peninsula island here with the tile that was pretty common back in 2003, where you'll see tile countertops. Now, we've also got a little nook area right behind you. Nook area here for, you know, breakfast or anything like that, leading out to your backyard. As we come out here, I do like that they have the new concrete setup. The owners did a good job with that. Nice setup here with the patio. And then turf over here for low maintenance backyard. Newer HVAC too. It's looking really nice. Let's go back in. Secluded away from the living room and dining room. You've got your first bedroom in here. Pretty good size. It's like about 11 by 10. Good closet. You got your first bathroom in here as well. I do like that they have the earthy colors. That definitely reminds me of the early 2000s. Another bedroom over here. You can see right here. Good size as well. And then we're gonna go to our primary bedroom, right along this way. Of course, it's gonna be the biggest room here. Funny thing is the seller actually used this room as an Airbnb at one point, because you know, we are 1.5 miles from the Roseville Galleria, super close to Topgolf, so it definitely produced a lot of income. Then you've got your ensuite in here. Definitely love the dual sinks, the tub shower combination, walk-in closet. It's looking really nice. Hey, you guys, like this if you thought this house was good. Also, leave a comment, let me know what you thought about it. And now we're gonna go to our next location. Let's go. It is time for another break, but now instead of coffee, we're gonna eat tacos at Nixtacos. Let's go. So we are in front of Nixtacos in my new neighborhood of Roseville, which is beer tacos. Let's try it out. Final neighborhood in the Oakbriar subdivision. Cannot wait to show you that one because it is 2 stories instead of just the one that we see. Let's do it. So this is our final stop for today. This will be 3048 Ivy Creek Lane in Roseville, located in the Oakbriar subdivision in between Blue Oaks and the 50-Minute Farm, which are 2 highly rated neighborhoods in Roseville. This listing was provided by Reed Block with Reed Block Realty. Let's take a look. So as we walk in, we have a nice wide hallway here for you. Got a nice bench for you to take off your shoes and your coat and put it in here into your coat closet, right there. Now as you keep walking further, you've got your living room, dining room combination. You can see right here, I love what they did with the couches and the staging in here. We've got a newer kitchen because this house was built in 2017, which looks really, really nice with the stainless steel appliances, the granite countertops, looking really good. Now, as we come out to the backyard, isn't a whole lot of space, but that is good for being low maintenance. Now, usually with newer homes, especially built in the later 2015 and up, you're not gonna see huge lots. So it's pretty common, but it does not happen all the time. So if we come back in here, now this house is 1,845 square feet, 3 to 4 bedrooms. I'll show you why in a minute, and then 2.5 baths. Now this first half bath, well, the only half bath is right here. Right when you walk into the entrance, that way they don't have to use any of the upstairs ones. Now we've got our hallway over here, laundry room to the right. And this is what I'm talking about when I said 3 to 4 bedrooms, because this is your office study or a loft area. But crazy thing is it has a closet, and in California, if it has a closet, it's considered a bedroom. So you let me know if it's a bedroom or not. First full bath right here, Jack and Jill sinks, but also a private area for the tub and toilet. We got our 2 bedrooms, pretty good size. Bedroom number 2, if you will. And then bedroom number 3. All right, here, good size for the kids. or anything you like to do. Now we got our primary bedroom, very spacious, good enough for a queen size bed, 2 light fixtures right there, also for your dresser. Then we have the ensuite, which I like because you have the dual sinks, the separate bathtub and shower, walk-in closet, and private area for the toilet. All right, you guys, so that is it for us. I want to thank you guys so much for coming along with us and taking a look and see what Roseville has to offer. Now, for the locals, let me know if there's a business or a restaurant that you want me to highlight on the next one, and let me know if there is a neighborhood you want me to highlight as well. Let me know in the comments too. Now, for anyone who is looking in this area, you can always reach out to us via email or whatever you like to do. Like and subscribe, and have a good one.